application for withdrawal by the petitioner was incomplete. So they have asked that they want to complete their filing today. So the judges have said all filing documents should be done by Saturday, and then you will hear the application for withdrawal next week. So that's what happened. Nothing. They were trying to file, they did not manage to file today. They have not finished their filing. They said they will finish by the end of today. So the judge said tomorrow and Friday we shall do the exchange of documentations, then we shall come back to the court next week.
But is it a good thing on your side?
It doesn't matter. We're just waiting for the case. We have not made any decision. We are just waiting for the court, which he has said will be next week.
Banange bana NRM bana Uganda mubere bavumu tuli wano ku kooti naye bana abajjayo omusango okusinziira ku tteeka baali badde balayidde nga eyawawaba ow'ekitiibwa Kyagulanyi alayidde era yalayidde naye ne looya amukiikirira yali badde naye alayidde naye teyalayidde bali wano ndowooza baleesebwa akatemba lwaki tebalayidde kubanga kiri mu mateeka bakimanyi kiri mu buwandiike.
Okay. They have an opportunity to raise that in court. Let's wait for court. That I did do my work? Why? Which work? Of filing the application?
The affidavits.
Which affidavit? No. It is continuous process, except for the ignorant. Except for the ignorant. Evidence is a continuous process. Why did they raise it in court? They would have said that the application is incompetent. It is supported by the petitioner's affidavit.
Act and in the rules. By your own concession and undertaking, we will have the second affidavit required by the rules by close of business today. Subsequent to that, the application, a copy will be posted in our notice board. The registrar of this court will cause it to be gazetted in the official gazette. In the meantime, we expect the respondents to make whatever response they might want to make in writing, affidavit or whatever it is. And then once it comes out, the notice comes out on the gazette, we will give you the shortest notice to appear here for the hearing of the application. Until then, we are not able to proceed. This is all about the importance of a presidential election petition, that it's not handled like the other matters between private individuals. The point we've been making here all along, that the petition that is in this court is about us, about this country. So even getting out has to go through this process. It's got to be public notice. That's why it has got to go to the gazette and the notice board that the petitioner wishes to withdraw. And then we will pronounce ourselves in accordance with the law on withdrawal. So until then, please, the respondents use, I don't know what time, I take it that learned counsel, Madam Lubego, will abide by his own undertaking.
That's true, my lord.
That he will not wait for 5 o'clock this time.
By close of business, my lord.
Business closes at 5.
That's correct.
So how much time would the Attorney General need, would counsel for the various respondents need, so that we know, in case we are able to gazette it tomorrow? I do not want to stampede you, because you have the right to respond if you so choose. For the parties. Councillor Beggar, the petitioner has exercised his right under the law to seek leave to withdraw the petition. That's the gist of the application, is that right?
That's correct, my lord.
Yes. And the application is founded on Section 61 of the Presidential Elections Act.
That's also correct, my lord.
Yes. And it provides in subsection 1, 2, and the subsequent subsections.
True, my lord.
I want to draw your attention to the rules to that act, specifically Rule 20, that deals with okay, we take it that we are on that file now. Yes, because we had skipped the formal calling of the file. So what we are addressing ourselves on now is the miscellaneous application number 5 of 2021. Yes. Rule 20, Councillor Vega. Can you read out for us? Sub-rule 3.
Yes, my lord.
I suppose you have a copy of the rules, yes.
That's correct, my lord. Sub-rule 3, subject to sub-rule 1 of this rule, an application for leave to withdraw.
Yes.
We are so engaged in it, it has been at the expense of so many other things, and if the petitioner is ready, for us we undertake that we shall be ready to proceed on Friday, my lord.
No, not the proceeding. I mean, whatever response, because you've just been served.
Yes, that we shall
this application, which is supported by an affidavit. We have another affidavit coming, and the purpose of the affidavit, which is required from council, is clear. That you are not compromised. I'm just paraphrasing. That you've not been compromised into seeking a withdrawal. The wordings are there in the act and the rule. So it's not something we don't know. That look, they've done it for free will. They've not been induced. They've not been so compromised. So
thank you, my lord. Yes.
What we will do, we'll then give you Thursday and Friday. If there is any response, it might be by affidavit. We don't know. That is your choice as respondents. I'm addressing all of you. And if you do so, as is the rule, the applicant will be entitled to some rejoinder. If need be, you might raise something new and they will be entitled to rejoinder. If there is nothing new, of course, then there's no need for rejoinder. So if we give you 2 days and the rules are clear, Thursday, Friday, then the applicant, if there is need for any rejoinder must be filed not later than 5 o'clock Saturday. As we've been doing, we've been keeping the courts open throughout public holidays, weekends. So by Saturday, we expect all affidavit evidence, all pleadings closed. Then the only thing that might delay us is the gazetting. If along the way, the gazette comes out, say by Friday, then prepare to be notified to appear here on Monday. But I'm not specific on the date. I'm just alerting you to prepare yourselves. Once the gazette is out and we have gone through the process of your response and any other possible response again from them, then we will notify you in the shortest time once.